Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Enoylity Tech. It's Milind over here, and I don't know what is actually happening with my iPhone because I'm trying to turn on my iPhone from past 15 to 20 minutes and nothing is happening with this device. This has got stuck onto this Apple logo screen, and the thing was that yesterday night my iPhone battery has completely got drained up and I charged it till the morning. Of course, the battery has got fully charged till the 100%, but instead of that, when I'm trying to boot it up, nothing is happening in this device, guys. You can also see it has got stuck down to this Apple logo. Do you know what may have been happening with this iPhone? You can let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. But first, let's jump onto the video that how to fix this kind of iPhone issues very easily in very few steps. Let's get onto it. Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Enoylity Tech. It's Milind over here, and if you have also faced a situation like this in which your iPhone isn't charging or has got stuck onto a black screen or probably onto an Apple logo, then here is a complete and a perfect solution for you guys to how to very easily fix your iPhone in very few steps. Let's get started. Joyoshare UltFix iOS system recovery provides you a complete and a perfect solution to very easily fix your iOS system issues safely and quickly without any data loss. If you want to try out this iOS system recovery software after this video, please go check it out. The Best Buy links available in the description down below. So moving ahead with the practical situation to actually fix any of your iPhone issues, once you get this software, simply install it on your PC or Mac device and open it up. Once opened, first you will need to connect your iPhone with your PC with the help of the Lightning to USB connector that Apple provides in their box. After connecting your iPhone, this software will automatically detect your device and its model. As you can see in my case, I have connected my iPhone XS Max to my PC. Also on the right side, you are able to see that there are more than 30 plus iOS issues options available, which you can very easily fix with the help of this Joyoshare UltFix software. So clicking on the start, it will first ask you to select the mode of operation, in which you have the standard mode and an advanced mode available. Standard mode can very easily repair most of the common problems such as stuck on Apple logo, black screen, iPhone won't turn on, and many others without any data loss. Whereas in case of selecting the advanced mode, which can be considered for removing screen lock if you forgot lock screen passcode. But remember, using advanced mode will erase all data on your iOS device, so choose carefully. In this case, I am selecting the standard mode and clicking on the next. Now it will ask you once again to reconfirm your iPhone model and the iOS version in order to download the correct firmware package. Either you can select the default or can update in case of any changes from the drop-down menu itself. So moving ahead, after confirming the iPhone model and the iOS version and clicking on the download, it will start downloading the required necessary firmware package automatically. And it will take hardly few minutes to download depending upon your internet speed. You can anytime change your firmware package download location from the preferences itself, and can also change the temp file location from there as well, with several general settings options too. So after downloading, it will verify the firmware package. When the firmware package is verified, it will show us as a confirmation that the correct firmware has been downloaded successfully. Now here is the main part where the actual workings of this software starts. Once you get onto the screen after downloading the proper firmware package, now you simply need to click on the repair. Once you click on the repair, the Joyoshare UltFix will automatically unzip the downloaded firmware package and will automatically start fixing the iOS issues on your iPhone. This process will take a little bit of time to get complete, and once the repair is successful, it will show us the repair completed dialog box. Then we simply need to click on done and check out our iPhone, whether this time the problem we were facing earlier is now fixed and our iPhone is working properly. In almost every situation, it works very well as Joyoshare provides a complete solution for more than 30 plus iOS issues. So that's the easiest way to fix your iPhone without even losing your precious data. Joyoshare UltFix also offers more than 30 plus iOS issues options to fix them very easily without erasing any kind of your precious files and data present in your iPhone. I hope this will definitely help some of you guys out there. Joyoshare has a very flexible pricing module which starts from $39.95 for one iDevice for the lifetime and is also available as the Best Buy family license for 2 to 5 iDevices in just $49.95 for the lifetime. In addition to this, Joyoshare also provides another amazing softwares like with the help of their video and photo converter, you can very easily convert your photos and videos. If you want to try out this softwares as well, then simply visit the link in the description down below. With this, their support team is also very helpful in case if you need any help from them regarding their services and updates. So this was my overall experience about fixing our iPhone issues very easily with the help of this amazing software from Joyoshare, the Joyoshare UltFix. Now it's totally up to you to consider a great option like this in order to fix your iPhone issues. Other than this, if you have any questions about this, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Once again guys, this was Milan from Enoylity Tech. I will catch you guys soon in the next one with an amazing iPhone 11 trailer or an iPhone 11 update. For now, peace out.